Ever feel like sleep is just a big OFF switch for your body? Like you just power down for a few hours and then reboot in the morning? Well, get ready to have your mind blown, because nothing could be further from the truth. While you're snoozing away, your body and brain are actually throwing a full-blown, highly organized, and incredibly productive party. Tonight, we're pulling back the curtains to show you exactly what happens when you close your eyes. Welcome to the secret world of sleep. So, let's start with the command center. Your brain, the moment you drift off, your brain doesn't just go silent. Instead, it embarks on a fascinating journey through different stages of sleep, each with a unique purpose. It's like a symphony in 4 parts, repeating several times throughout the night. First, you have the light sleep stages. Think of these as the transition period, where you're easily woken up. Your muscle activity slows, and your brainwaves start to change rhythm. It's the appetizer before the main course. Then, you enter the real magic, deep sleep. This is the stage where your body gets down to some serious physical repair work. Your pituitary gland releases a surge of growth hormone, which is essential for repairing and rebuilding your muscles, bones, and other tissue. It is like a microscopic construction crew working tirelessly to fix the wear and tear from your day. Your immune system also gets a major boost during this time, producing proteins called cytokines that help fight off infection, inflammation, and stress. So, if you've ever wondered why your mom told you to get plenty of rest when you were sick, this is exactly why. Deep sleep is your body's prime time for healing and strengthening its defenses. But what about your brain during this deep sleep? It's not just sitting idle. This is when it performs a crucial deep clean. Imagine your brain is a busy city. During the day, it accumulates metabolic waste products, sort of like trash, building up on the streets. At night, during deep sleep, a special system called the glymphatic system kicks into high gear. It flushes out these toxins, including beta-amyloid proteins, which are linked to Alzheimer's disease. Think of it as the brain's janitorial staff working the night shift, ensuring the city is clean and ready for a new day. Without this nightly cleanup, toxins can build up, impairing your cognitive function and potentially leading to serious long-term problems. So, that feeling of mental clarity after a great night's sleep, you can thank your brain's very efficient sanitation department. After the deep, restorative work is done, your brain transitions into one of the most famous stages of sleep, REM, which stands for rapid eye movement. This is where things get really interesting. Your brain activity suddenly looks a lot like it does when you're awake. Your eyes dart back and forth behind your closed eyelids. Your breathing becomes faster and irregular, and your heart rate and blood pressure increase. But here's the crazy part. Your body is essentially a mechanism in your brainstem temporarily shuts off your muscles to prevent you from acting out your dreams. And yes, REM sleep is when you have your most vivid, narrative-driven dreams. But REM sleep is much more than just a dream factory. It plays a monumental role in your mental and emotional health. This is when your brain processes the day's events, consolidates memories, and helps you learn. Think of it like this. During the day, you gather tons of information and experiences. During REM sleep, your brain is like a librarian, sorting through all these new books, deciding which ones to keep, where to shelve them, and which ones to discard. This is crucial for strengthening memories and integrating new skills. If you're trying to learn a new language or a musical instrument, getting enough REM sleep is non-negotiable. REM sleep also acts as a form of overnight therapy. It helps your brain process emotions and uncouple them from stressful experiences. It strips away the emotional charge from difficult memories, allowing you to wake up with a clearer, less anxious perspective. Have you ever gone to bed feeling upset or worried about something, only to wake up feeling much calmer and more capable of handling it? That's your REM sleep at work, helping you regulate your mood and build emotional resilience. It's one of the reasons why chronic sleep deprivation can lead to irritability, anxiety, and even depression. You're robbing your brain of its ability to process emotions effectively. These cycles of light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep repeat about every 90 minutes throughout the night. In the early part of the night, you spend more time in deep sleep, focusing on physical restoration. As the night progresses, the REM stages become longer, shifting the focus to mental and emotional processing. A full night of healthy sleep is a beautifully orchestrated balance of all these stages. Each one is vital. You can't just skip one and expect to feel your best. It's an all-or-nothing package deal designed by nature to keep you running at optimal capacity. So, what happens when we don't get enough sleep? The consequences are more serious than just feeling tired and grumpy. On a physical level, sleep deprivation weakens your immune system, making you more susceptible to getting sick. It disrupts your hormone levels, which can lead to weight gain by increasing your appetite for hikalari foods. It also raises your risk for chronic health problems like heart disease, high blood pressure, and diabetes. Your body simply can't perform its essential maintenance without adequate sleep. Mentally, the effects are just as damaging. Your ability to focus, think clearly, and solve problems plummets. Your memory suffers because your brain doesn't have enough time to consolidate new information. And as we discussed, your emotional regulation goes haywire, making you more prone to stress and mood swings. In short, skipping sleep is like trying to run a marathon on an empty stomach while also juggling flaming torches. It's not just difficult, it's dangerous and completely unsustainable. The amazing thing is that our bodies are hardwired to do all of this incredible work for us. All we have to do is give them the opportunity. This means prioritizing sleep, not just as a luxury, but as a fundamental pillar of health, just as important as diet and exercise. It's not about being lazy. It's about being smart. It's about recognizing that this nightly process of repair, cleaning, and organization is what allows you to be the sharpest, healthiest, and happiest version of yourself during the day. So the next time you're rethinking about pulling an all-nighter or scrolling on your phone late into the night, remember what's happening behind the scenes. Remember the construction crew repairing your muscles, the janitors cleaning your brain, and the librarian organizing your memories. Sleep isn't empty time. It's invested time. It's the most productive thing you can do for your well-being without lifting a finger. By understanding and respecting the power of sleep, you're not just ensuring a better night. You're building a better, healthier, and more brilliant tomorrow. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey into the world of sleep. I hope you've gained a new appreciation for what your body and brain do for you every single night. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content that helps you live a healthier life. Sweet dreams, and see you in the next video.